Hi there, it's Tiffany from Daisy Farm Crafts, and today I want to show you a tutorial for the moss stitch. We use this stitch in a lot of our blankets, and I just like to show you how the basic of it is worked. Today's tutorial though, I'm just using some Peyton's Alpaca Blend with a size J hook and just grab some yarn and let's do a practice swatch. It's a really great stitch to learn. You want to start with any even number. Any even number is fine. I put 16 chains on my hook. Now how it starts is that you start in the fourth chain from the hook. So not counting this one that's around the hook. Start counting here as 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to work a simple single crochet. And then we will chain 1 and skip the next chain and go into the next. Then we'll do that again. Chain 1, skip the next chain, and go work into the next with a single crochet. We're going to continue doing that across the row. So chaining 1, skipping, working into the next one with a single crochet. Hopefully I'm going slow enough that you can see. Inserting my hook, pulling through just the 2, chaining, skipping. Here we go. We're almost to the end of the row. And now we will work 1 single crochet right into that last stitch. Okay, now what you're going to do is chain 2 and then turn your work kind of like a page, like you're turning a page in a book. And we are going to go ahead and single crochet, not into this single crochet, but into the chain 1 space. So now we have these big spaces where the chains, that's the hole that you want to work into. And we're going to go ahead and work our single crochet right into that. Now we're going to chain, and that chain is going to sit over that single crochet stitch from the row below, and we're going to work into the space again. We're going to do that across the whole row. So single crochet, chain, skip, single crochet into that chain space. Now what I love about this pattern is how we can finish the row fairly easy. We do not want to work obviously into that chain. We're going to work to the left of that last single crochet, and there should be, a pretty nice size hole for you to work into. And that's how you'll know that's the last stitch. We're going to chain 2 again, and we're going to just repeat. So go ahead, skip over that first single crochet, work right underneath that chain space. So you'll always know that the last stitch kind of goes to the left of the last single crochet on the row below and kind of in between, how would you say that? In between the chains or to the right of the chain 2. Then that way you're never having to work into the top of a turning chain at all. So you love this pattern. Hannah has done some really clever yarn changes with this. Okay, so here's what I wanted to talk about. Here's that last single crochet stitch, if you can see it. So you're going to work to the left of that post and kind of underneath those turning chains. That's where your last stitch will always go. If you get that, your sides are going to be so straight. It's going to be awesome. Okay. But anyway, Hannah has a blanket called the Country Blues blanket, and she's figured out a way so that these little V's show just as little pops of color. There's all sorts of creative things that you can do with this stitch. And so that's it. That's our basic moss stitch, and we love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by Daisy Farm Crafts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to. And I'm getting better at recording these videos, so hopefully we're going to be able to share a lot more of our blanket patterns for those of you that are visual learners and would prefer to learn this way. So I'm excited that I have finally figured out the technology in order to share this way with you. So thank you so much. You have a good day.